Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you, class 5? All of you are fine. Alhamdulillah. Today, our 12th meeting. And in this meeting, we will do page 37, 38, 39, and 41. On page 38, this is your review of class 4, area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. And you know that in the figure, the horizontal line is length and the vertical line is breadth. On page 38, question number 4 is included. And there are two parts of question 4, A and B only. Question is, use multiplication to work out the area of these gardens. Part A, as you see on the slide, 2.5 meter and 6 meter. 2.5 is length and 6 meter is breadth. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Under the length you will write 2.5 meter and under the breadth you write there 6 meter. In the rough work you see I multiply 2.5 and 6. After multiplication, 15.0 meter square is the area of the given rectangle. And always remember that the unit of the length and breadth, they both will be same. Unit mean meter, centimeter, kilometer. The measurement which write with the length or breadth. Come to the part B. Again, a rectangle is given. The length of the rectangle is 6.5 meter and the breadth of the rectangle is 4 meter. Again, we write the area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. Under the length, you will write the measurement, the value of length, which is 6.5 meter. And under the breadth, you will write the value of breadth, which is 4 meter. In the rough column, I did the multiplication for you. You multiply 6.5 with 4, 26.0 or 26 meters square. If there is 0 after the decimal and no other number is after 0, then we can write only 26. 26 meters square. This is area of the required rectangular garden. Yes, students, now we have a new concept about the composite shapes. This is a new topic for you and page 39 is regarding this topic. Before doing the question, first we know about the composite shapes, that which shapes are called composite shapes. On your screen you can see easily I mentioned here the definition of the composite diagram or figure. A figure that can be divided into more than one of the basic figures is said to be a composite shapes. It means that if any shape is given and we convert that shape into more than one basic shapes. Basic shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, like these types of shapes. So if any figure can be converted into two or more than two basic shapes, then that figure is called a composite figure. For example, figure ABCD is a composite shape as it consists of two basic shapes, the rectangle and a triangle. You see in the diagram, two shapes are combined in that figure, rectangle and triangle. So this type of figure or shape are called composite shapes. Now we start our questions. Page 39. Question 1 is included in your scheme, and there are two parts of this question. In part A, we have a composite figure over here. You see that in the question which type of the shape is given, and for your convenience I convert this diagram into two parts, A and B. You can see on your screen we divide the whole shape into two basic figures, A and B, and the both shapes are rectangular shape. So first we find the area of the diagram A. After finding A, we calculate the area of B, which is also a rectangle, and at the end we add both the areas and we got the area of the total shape. First we calculate area of a rectangle A. You know what is the area of the rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. Definitely formula will be same for all the rectangular shapes. Length is 3 meter and breadth is 1.5. The height will always be the breadth. Multiply 3 and 1.5, 4.5 meters square. So the area of the rectangle A is 4.5 meter. Now is the turn of rectangle B. In this rectangle, length is 6.5 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Again we apply the formula, area of a rectangle B, length multiplied by breadth, 6.5 multiplied by 5. And our answer is 32.5 meters square. We calculate the area of both the rectangles A and B. Now is the time that we calculate the area of the whole figure which is given in the question. We add both the areas of the rectangles. Area of rectangle A plus area of a rectangle B. We calculate area of the rectangle 4.5 meters square and area of the rectangular B is 32.5 meters square. By adding these two areas, our answer is 37 meters square, which is the actual area of the given figure. 37 meters square is the area of the actual figure which is given in the question. Now come to this diagram B. What a horrible shape is that. You see that different measurements are given in the actual figure: 3.5 centimeter, 4 meter, and 7 meter. Three lengths are given: 3.5, 4, and 7. And only one breadth is given to us, which is 8 meter. And this is the largest side of the triangle, the largest breadth. Although we have two breadths over here, but only one breadth is mentioned in the diagram, which is 8 meter. Sorry. Again, we convert this composite diagram, this composite shape, into two basic shapes, two rectangles A and B. And you see in the diagram, when I convert A and B, the composite shape, into two rectangles, 8 meter. 8 meter, we divide this length into two parts, 4 meter and 4 meter. How we come to know that these lengths are 4 meter? You see in the actual diagram, 4 meter is given there. It means 8 meter. If we divide this whole 8 meter into two parts, the both parts will be 4 meter and 4 meter. Again, I explain you the main figure. In the actual diagram, we have 4 measurements, 2 lengths and 2 breadths are given. 2 lengths are 3.5 meter and 7 meter. And 2 breadths are 8 meter and 4 meter. We have 2 breadths, 8 meter and 4 meter in the actual diagram. When we divide this composite shape into two basic shapes, we got two rectangles A and B. And you see clearly in the diagram, again we have two lengths, 7 centimeter and 3.5 meter. 7 meter and 3.5 meter. And we divide the breadth 8 meter into two parts, 4 meter and 4 meter. Why we convert this into 4 and 4? I told you that in the question one breadth is given 4 meter. So according to that diagram, that measurement, we convert 8 into two parts, 4 meter and 4 meter. We have two rectangles A and B. First, we calculate the area of the rectangle A. In this diagram, length is 3.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Length is 3.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 4 meter, length is 3.5 meter and breadth is 4. After multiplication, the area of the rectangle is 14 meter square. We got the area of the rectangle A, 14 meter square. Now is the turn of rectangle B. In this rectangle, length is 7 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Length is 7 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Again applying the formula of rectangle, area of the rectangle B is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 7 meter and breadth is 4 meter. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 meters square. At the end, we calculate the area of the whole composite shape. We convert this shape into two rectangles A and B. We have already found the area of A and B. In the end, we add these two areas and we will get the area of the composite shape. 14 meters square plus 28 meters square. 14 meters square is the area of rectangle A and 28 meters square is the area of rectangle B. After adding 14 and 28, we got 42 meters square, which is the area of the whole shape, composite shape, which is given in the question. Is it clear to you that how we convert the composite shapes into the basic shapes, calculate the area, the both basic shapes A and B, and at the end we add the areas of that rectangles or triangles and we will get the area of the whole composite shape. After page 39, we have page number 41, and on this page also we have the composite shape. Measuring the area of a right angle triangle is therefore very simple. This is because all right angle triangle form half of the square or a rectangle. Again, we convert rectangle or a square in the form of triangle. To find the area of the rectangle, we work out the area of the square or rectangle of which is form 1/2, then divide this area by 2. Area of the triangle is equal to area of the rectangle divided by 2, because in the question we have the rectangle, so that's why we write area of the rectangle and we divide it by 2. Let's come to the question. Page 41, we have question 4, and there are two parts of this question. Work out the area of the each colored triangle. Each color triangle. Rectangle is given and you see the shaded portion in this figure is the mauve color. We will calculate the area of this triangle. We convert this composite shape into two basic triangles. Now is the turn to find the area of the triangle. In the previous slide, you see the formula of the triangle is area of the rectangle divided by 2. It means first we calculate the area of the rectangle in the given diagram and then we divide the answer by 2 and we get the area of triangle. What is the area of rectangle? Who will tell me? Yes, very nice. Area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. And in our diagram, what is length? 4 meter. And what is breadth? 5 meter. Area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 4 and breadth is 5. 4 meter multiplied by 5 meter. 4 fives are 20. 20 meters square, but this is not our actual answer. Only we find the area of the rectangle. We have the area of the triangle, which is area of the rectangle divided by 2. Now we divide 20 meters square with 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10 meters square, which is our actual answer, our required answer. Area of the triangle is equal to 10 meters square. Come to the second part, part B. Again, the rectangle is given and we divide this rectangle into two triangles. The same procedure, first we calculate the area of rectangle and then we divide that area with 2 and we find the area of the triangle. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and in this diagram length is 6 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Length multiplied by breadth, 6 meter multiplied by 5 meter, 30 meters square. Now we find the area of the triangle. What is area of the triangle? Area of the rectangle divided by 2. 30 meters square divided by 2. When we divide 30 by 2, we get 15 meters square. Area of the triangle is 15 meters square. When a square or a rectangle is given, after drawing the diagonal, we can convert the rectangle or a square into two equal triangles. Then the solution is, first we find area of the whole diagram and after dividing it by 2, we will get the area of the triangle. Again, I am repeating the formulas. The area of a rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. After finding the rectangular area, we solve the composite figures. Which types of the figures are composite? The diagrams or figures in which 2 or 3 shapes are given. After that figure, when we convert into 2 or 3 basic shapes, that shapes are called composite shapes. Which are the basic shapes? Rectangle, triangle, or a square. And I show you the example of that in which the composite shape is given and we convert that shape into two basic shapes, rectangle and a triangle. How can we find the area of composite shapes? We divide the composite shapes into 2 or 3 basic shapes, maybe a rectangle or a triangle or a square. Then individually we calculate the area of the rectangle or a square or a triangle. After finding the area of the basic shapes, at the end we add up all the areas and we will get the area of the whole composite shape. We done these questions on page 39. Then on page 41, we did area of a triangle. And almost we divide, almost the rectangle is given and we convert that rectangle into two triangles. We draw the diagonal and the rectangle divide into two equal triangles. After finding the area of the rectangle, we divide it by 2 and we get our required answer. It means that area of the triangle is equal to area of a rectangle divided by 2. After dividing the area of the rectangle, we will get area of the triangle. Now students, you have the assignment. assignment number 4. Only one question is there. Find the area of garden and shape is given to you. Lengths are mentioned there. Only you will calculate the area of the garden. I think within 2 or 3 minutes you can solve this question and you will send your assignment. But do your work very neat and clean, and you must draw the diagrams with each part, with each question. The diagrams are necessary for each part. And also in the assignment, you draw very neat and labeled diagram. Labeled means you mention the length and breadth in the diagram. Student, I hope you understand all this lecture and you remember the formulas of area of a rectangle and a triangle. Inshallah, we will meet soon. Allah Hafiz.